Air occupies space.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chioma. Today I brought a bowl of water because I want to prove to you all that air occupies space. Air occupies space. So I brought a bowl of water. I brought an empty glass cup, dry. You see, it's an empty glass cup. Then I brought a tissue. So what I'm going to do, I'll take a part of the tissue. Okay, I'll take a part of the tissue. I'm going to fold this softly because this is an experiment to show that air actually occupies space. So this is the tissue. I think I should add more. Tissue. I'm going to add more tissue. Now, I've added more tissue to the previous one. Then you know what? I'll put it inside the dry glass cup. Remember, everything here has interacted with air. There's air here. And now I want to show you that air occupies space. I put it inside. Remember that when you turn it, even if you shake it, it will not throw away. You put it inside. Then take it straight like that. Let's immerse it in the fluid. The fluid is water. Now you immerse it in the fluid. You can see that it's in the fluid. Looking at the water, see, there's no bubble in this water. I've put it. So I'm assuming that water will go inside and touch the tissue, right? Now we'll leave it for some time. This is an experiment because I was dealing with pressure, so I just want to prove to you all that air occupies space. Now let's take it out. Then turn it. You can see that the tissue is dry. No water. There's no water in this tissue. You can see it very dry. I immersed it in the water, but it's still very dry. Now, why is it dry? It's dry because there was air in it. So when I put it in the fluid, like in the water, the air resisted the water from touching it. So that space where the air was before the water could touch it was where the air was occupied in the glass. Now I've put it tightly. You can see the tissue is dry. Now I'm going to show you something. Pay attention to the water. I put it again, right? Now I want the air inside the glass to escape. But you will see the evidence. You will see, I know we can't see air, but you are going to see the evidence. Let's watch. I'll open it. You can see bubble. Can you see some bubbles? Wow, see some bubbles coming out. See some bubbles. The air inside the glass is escaping. You can see some bubbles are coming out. The air inside the glass is escaping. Now see some bubbles coming out practically. Now, let's open it and see if the tissue is dry or wet. Oh my God. The tissue is wet. Tissue is wet. You know what happened? When we released it, the air escaped. And the space at which the air was occupied, the water escaped into it and touched the tissue. This is a practical experiment that air occupies space. So the air here that you cannot see has its own space on the container. So relating it to pressure, we have the atmospheric pressure. Air has molecules, and the molecules of air interact with the walls of the container. And that's why we deal with the height of the container, the density of water, and then the gravitational pull. Thank you all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoyed this experiment. God bless you.